Hello, my friends. How are you? Welcome to my channel. Uh, I'm back again with yet another dozen roulette system strategy. So basically, I used to enjoy playing this strategy a lot. I have played this strategy a lot in RNG, but at the same time, remember, do not play in RNG. So I used to play this strategy in RNG as well as in live roulette. It is a fun playing, and you'll watch here how the strategy works. So again, all the strategies are based upon the principles of one standard and two standard deviation. So without wasting any time, let's get started, guys. Okay, so as you can see here, there are three dozens in the roulette table: dozen 1, dozen 2, and dozen 3. So basically what we do is we try to exploit the deviation factor here, and we make some decent profits out of it. So I'll start now, just watch.
13 black odd.
Okay, number 13, so it falls under dozen 2. Then
23 red odd.
okay, again one standard deviation here, and again 23. See here, it has fallen under dozen 2. So we mark here, we highlight this, no need of highlighting. Okay, so I'll place one chip here. Okay,
26
okay,
black even.
okay, dozen 3. Again rebet, place one chip, I just double it. Yeah,
13 black
okay,
odd.
see, you have one
win.
here. Okay, so again I clear the bets here. So especially in this strategy, you need to check the numbers from top to bottom, and for number deviation it was from bottom to top. Okay, so again number 13, it falls under dozen 2. 26, it was dozen 3. Okay, and again 23 was a dozen 2. Okay, we need to stop here, guys. 26, 23, and 13. Okay, 13 was under dozen 2 itself, but it is null and void because we are not playing 3 standard deviation, so max is 2 standard deviation. Alright, so again I will place the bet here. So I am not doing calculation as usual. Okay, so I am just spinning the ball now.
12 red
Okay,
even.
so here it dozen 1 has entered. Now one standard deviation, again rebet, double.
1 red
Okay,
odd.
okay, as you see here, now both these dozens have entered. 2 standard deviation. Now I spin the
27
ball. Okay,
red odd.
okay, see here. Okay, now 3 dozens have won. So in this case, what we do now is we usually place the bet here, and we place the bet here as well. Okay, and we place one a minimum one chip bet on number 0. Okay, again we spin the
3
ball.
red odd.
Okay, we have one here. So as you can see here, we have one here, but there is no winnings here. We are in a loss now. So what we do now is it has entered into 3 standard deviation. We simply clear all this and we start the session from the beginning now. So 3 was dozen 1, 27 was dozen 3, then again 1 was here. Okay, and 12 was again. So it is null and void because we are not playing 3 standard deviation. So what we do now is we place one chip here. Okay, one chip or any amount just for demo purpose. I'm doing it. So we have one here again. So we have again one here. So again we clear these bets. So again what we do now is again we see the numbers here. Okay, 7 dozen 1, 3 dozen 1, 27 dozen 3, then again dozen 1. So null and void. So again dozen 1, we need to place the bets. Alright, so again we do. Okay,
20 black
okay,
even.
dozen 2, we rebet, we double.
12. Red.
Okay, again we
even.
have one
You
here,
win.
guys. See, again we clear the bets. And what we do now is again we start. See, again we cross check the numbers in the mark queue. So again 12, dozen 1, and again number 20. Okay, number 20, dozen 2, and again dozen 1, and again dozen 3. And actually number 3 belongs to dozen 1. So again we need to place one chip on dozen 1. Okay, so I simply
23.
spin.
Red.
Okay,
Odd.
dozen 2. Okay, rebet, place. Okay, okay, spin.
8. Black.
Okay, again we
even.
have one
You
here.
win.
So again we have one here. We clear the bets. Again dozen 1, 8, 23. Again it has fallen under dozen 2, 12, dozen 1, 20, again dozen 2. So as you can see here, dozen 1 and dozen 2, the pattern is running for dozen 1 and dozen 2. So again I rebet, I spin
25.
the ball. Okay,
Red. Odd.
dozen 3, again I rebet, I double, I
29.
spin. Okay,
Black. Odd.
so all the 3 dozens have entered 2 standard deviation. So again rebet. Okay, and here I double it, I place one here, I spin the
11.
ball.
Black.
Okay,
Odd.
all
You
right.
win.
Okay, we are under loss, not an issue. Basically idea behind the strategy is, guys, even if you make like 20 to 30 units, just stop it and again come back later and you can play, but not in RNG. Try to play in live roulette. Sometime what happens if you start betting on all these 3 dozens, suddenly the number 0 will hit up. So this is my own strategy because I have seen it happening so many times during playing. So what I do is I usually place a chip, a $1 chip or $2 chip on 0. So what happens is that we can recover whatever our bets have lost. So again we start. So okay, so again we start recording the numbers. 11 dozen 1, 29 dozen 3, 25 dozen 3, dozen 3. Okay, then 8 dozen 1, 23 dozen 2. So again 12, it represents dozen 1, so it is null and void, no 3 standard deviation here. Okay, so we need to place bets on here. I'll take 5 chips, let's see. So 2 standard deviation, dozen 1 and dozen 3. Again spin the
33.
ball, so we have
Black.
one here.
Odd. You win.
Okay, again we clear the bets. Basically this is very what you call it, is very fun, guys. You'll have a lot of fun while playing this, but remember, if you are inexperienced newbie, don't try this any of the strategy, just paper trade it. Okay, I don't want you to lose your money, hard-earned money. So again we record the numbers, d3. Okay, dozen 3, then again dozen 1, 11, 29 dozen 3, then 25, and again it dozen 3. So it is null and void, so we are going to place bets only on dozen 3 now. Okay,
25.
okay, we have one
Red.
here.
Odd. You
Okay guys,
win.
basically you have understood this strategy. Hope you have watched my earlier videos, so you'll have a better idea. So this is it. This was a dozen deviation strategy. Principle behind this is the 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviation. So I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, just like this video, share this video, or subscribe to my channel, guys. If you subscribe, I'll make more videos, I'll share you more strategies, and please do not play this strategy in RNG. I used to play this strategy in RNG just for a few minutes. Again I used to change the pattern, but right now I'm not into roulette now. I have stopped playing roulette. I have found a better opportunity. So basically I'll share you all the details, the earnings, everything. I want to show you a genuine business, online business, Roulette is fine, it's your hobby or passion. Roulette is my passion as well, but losing money, that's not something interesting, guys. Your hard-earned money in roulette. So I just want to help you because most of the subscribers, like a month back, they had mailed me that they have lost so much money in the roulette, they want to recover the losses. So that's why I'm revealing out whatever the strategies which I have exploited or found out as per my experience. So the idea behind this posting this video is nothing, just to educate you how roulette works, and hope if you want to make a genuine income, if you want to do any online business, I'll post the link below. It's a genuine, it's nothing scam. You have a 30-day money back guarantee also. Even if you don't have money, take up a loan, join that business. Why I'm stretching on this business is especially because one of my subscribers, he had made like around 4 to 5 grand like last month. Yes, guys, I'm not uh, I'm not trying to uh, I'm not trying to sell you something indirectly or something. He has made 4 to 5 grand. I personally do this business, so I make a genuine income passively. Even I am sleeping, the money is just rolling in, guys. I'll show you everything in the couple weeks or couple of days, so you'll be amazed of that business. It's very hands-free business, done for you business, online business. Even you're not sitting in front of the computer, the business is going to work for you in the back end. You'll have this you'll have this profits rolling in each and every day in your accounts. So I'll share all those details. So I'll leave the link in the description. Register for the webinar, watch the video, and even if you don't have money, take up a loan and start your own business. Good time to start your business, guys. Secondary income is a must nowadays. After the pandemic, most of the people have lost their primary jobs. Business are gone. Most of the business now are going on online. So I hope you'll take a step, and you'll build your career in online marketing or online business. It's for everyone. There is no experience required, nothing. It's for newbies. Anyone can do this business. Moms, anybody can do that. No matter you're a male or female, no matter who you are, you can do that business. It's a done for you. Okay, I'll leave the link in the description. Just register for the webinar. Okay, and hit a thumbs up for this video and share this video and subscribe to my channel, guys. Every day I'll be posting new videos. If you subscribe to my channel, if you hit a thumbs up, that it's me motivated, guys, really. Okay, guys, then have a great day. Bye bye.